Alright, so here's a quick tip. If you ever run into a situation like this where the capacitor is all rusted out and you can't find any of the information on it, one thing you could do to figure this out is checking it down at the compressor. It'll tell you it takes a 55 cap. And check the fan on the specs there. On the corner it tells you it's a 5. Now that we figured that out, let's go ahead and test it. 18.5 on the 55, 2.0 on the 5. She's bad. Let's go ahead and test our new ones. 56.3, 5.1. Now she's all strapped up. We're good to go. Hope this was helpful, guys.